Do you know how to create a static website using Power Pages platform? Hi, this is Priyanka Kumari from KnowHow Academy, and here let me take one real life scenario, that is music website. So let me explain that how you can use the music website in real life. Imagine there is a cool website called the Harmony Hub, all about music. On this website, you can tell them about your music mission, and we can say you can tell them about us of music website, and you can promote, or we can say you can advertise your music through this website. So let me show you that one demonstrate of music website that I have already created. So here you can see our website look like this. In this website, I can add text, image, video, and let me explain step-by-step process that how I can create that website in Power Pages platform. So here you can see that I can already take one ready-made template. So we have to create one page. So I can click on plus page and give a name that is music page. And I can start from blank and click on add. Here you can see that our page can be created. So first I have to add it side header and give a company name that is Harmony Hub, and after that I can upload an image and click on music 3 image and click on OK. And after I can go styling and let me change the header background. So I can choose this color and let me cross this, and after I can sync these changes and let me preview this. Here you can see company name, logo and header color can be changed easily. So I have to choose the layout first. So I can go here, choose this option. After I can click on text and let me choose heading 3 and let me cross this first and go notepad, and after I have to copy this first line, Ctrl plus C, and after I have to copy this line and let me select this. It can be bold and it can be center alignment. Let me change the font family. So I can go here, typography, and I can choose this option and let me cross this, and after we go sync and let me preview this also. Here you can see our text can be added so easily. Did you know that how you can add a text after another text? So let me click on plus, select text, and now I have to delete this text first, so it can be deleted. Let me copy the paragraphs. So let me first copy this, and after I have to paste this, and let me click on this. It can be bold. Let me change the alignment, so it can be center alignment, and let me change the font family. So I can choose this font family and I can cross this, and let's sync this and let me preview this also. Here you can say our paragraph can be added so easily. So let me demonstrate you that how you can add an image in that site. So we click on image and we go upload image, and I can select this option and open, and I can select this and click on OK. And here you can see that our image can be added in the website. So we sync this first and let me preview this also. Here you can see our image can be added so easily. So let me tell you that how you can add a section to upload an image and upload a text at the side of the video. So let me go here and click on add a section and choose 2 columns, and here I can upload a video. So I can go video. So let me give a URL. So copy the URL from a notepad that I already taken. So we can go Ctrl plus C, and after that I can Ctrl plus V and click on OK. So here you can see our video can be uploaded so easily. So we go here sync changes and let me preview this first. So here you can see a video can be uploaded so easily by adding the URL. So let me tell you that how you can add a text at the side of video. So let me go this and let me delete this first, and after that I have to copy this. So Ctrl+C, and we have to Ctrl+V. Let me choose heading 1, and let me select this. It can be bold and it can comes to center alignment. Let me sync this and preview this after that. And here you can say our missions can be added. So let me tell you that how you can add a mission. So let me plus add, and after plus text. So let me delete this first, and let me copy the text from here. So we have to select this first, Ctrl+C, and after that I have to paste this and Ctrl+V, and I have to select this, and this paragraph can be italics also, and I can change the typography, that is font family, and I can select this option, and let me cross this, and we have to sync these changes first, and now we have to preview this. Here you can see our text can be added so easily. After that I can explain you that how you can give a shadow to the image and how you can give the corner radius to the image, and after that I can explain you that how you can give the text shadow of the text in the Power Pages platform. So we need to add a section and choose 2 columns, and let me upload a image. So I can select this and go upload image, and let me choose this image and click on open, and after I have to click on OK. So here you can see our image can be uploaded. So let me add some shadow, or we can say add some corner radius. So I can go here and add some shadow. It can be 17 pixel, and add some corner radius, so it can be 20 pixel, and there is a layout, and then in this layout there is so many options like display, position, width, height, margin, padding. In display here you can see there is a block, inline block, flex, and in this there is a position, that is static, relative, absolute, fixed. From width you can adjust the width of the image, and you can adjust the height of the image. You can give the margin also, and you can give the padding also. So, and if you want to reset all these properties, so click on reset after this. So let me cross this, and we have to see the changes in the website. So let me preview this also. Here you can say our image can be added with shadow and corner radius also. So let me add first text. So I can click on add text, and after that I can choose heading 1, and let me delete this first and go notepad, and I have to select and Ctrl+C. After that is Ctrl+V, and first need to select. It can be bold also, and the alignment can be center. Let me give some shadow, text shadow. So I can do this and give some text shadow, so it can be 3 pixel, and after that I can explain these text design also when I can add the paragraph. So let me cross this and sync this also, and let me preview this. Here you can see that our text can be added with the text shadow. It looks nice. So we need to add a paragraph. So we click on plus, and after text, and let me delete this to add a text. So let me copy that paragraph from here. So I can Ctrl+C, and let me paste it. And after we select whole text, and it can be italics, and their alignment can be right, and we choose this, and here I can choose typography. Let me change the font family, that is, and let me text alignment. It can be justified, so it looks nice, and font size I can increase, it is 23 pixel. And let me explain the text design in detail. So here you can see there is a standard. In this there is a background color. If you want to give a background color to the text shadow, border, or we can say corner radius. And after we have a layout. In layout, here you can see there is a display, position, width, height, margin, padding. And in this typography there is a font family like font family, font weight, font size. If you want to give a spacing, so you can. If you increase the height, so you can also. And if you align the text, in text alignment there is a left, center, right, and justify. And if you want to reset all these properties, so you can click on reset. For now I click on cross, and we have to go sync this, and we have to preview this also. Here you can say our text can be added so easily. Here you can see there is a space between the letters, and if you want to change this, so we go design studio, and let me select this, and I choose styling. In this I have given some styling, so it can be in typography. So let me zero this. Here you can say our letter spacing can be 0, and let me cross this, and let me sync this also, and let me preview this also. I hope you understand how you can give the space between the letters and how you can decrease this space in the letters or in a paragraph also. So let me talk about the footer. So let me change the color of the footer. So I can go here, and here I can go this, select this, and select the color. And here you can see the color of the footer can be changed. And let me sync this first and preview also. Here you can see our footer color can be changed, and here you can understand that how this website can be created in Power Pages platform very easily and very beautiful. And this website looks so attractive, and it can be mobile responsive also. I can inspect, and here you can see our whole website looks mobile responsive also. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source for IT knowledge. We are always here to help you navigate the tech world. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. So stay curious and keep learning.